Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to start with EVS 2. And we are going to start with a new chapter. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay? Let's start. Where did Shivaji take the oath of Swaraj? Shivaji took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar. Who nursed Swaraj with their blood? Men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji nursed it with their blood. Why did Shivaji decide to have himself crowned? Now Shivaji decided to have himself crowned so that everyone would come to know that Swaraj had been firmly established. So today we are going to learn why Shivaji had himself crowned. In lesson number 15, a memorable ceremony. And we are going to start this with new words. Crowned. C-R-O-W-N-E-D. Crowned means it is placed ceremonially on someone's head. Self-glorification. Self-glorification. S-E-L-F. Self. Glorification. Glorification. Now, self-glorification is a feeling or expression of one's own superiority. Inspected. I-N-S-P-E-C-T-E-D. Inspected means to examine or to check. Canopy. C-A-N-O-P-Y. Canopy is a roof type structure with open side. Throne. T-H-R-O-N-E. Throne is a king's chair. Precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. It means valuable. Coronation. C-O-R-O-N-A-T-I-O-N. Coronation. It is a ceremony when a king is officially installed. Priest. P-R-I-E-S-T. Priest means religious leader. Ablution. A-B-L-U-T-I-O-N. Ablution means washing of one's body or as part of, it is usually in religious rituals. Now children, this is our content outline of this chapter. Why did Shivaji had himself crowned? The capital of Swaraj. Preparations for the coronations. Now children, let's see in this lesson what is the memorable ceremony that is going to take place in the life of Maratha lion Shivaji Maharaj. Now why did Shivaji have himself crowned? Now children, as we all know that before Shivaji, Maharashtra was in the hands of different powers. We were not able to live with freedom in our own land. Therefore, Jijabai and Shahaji Raje sowed a seed of Swaraj in Shivaji's mind from childhood. To fulfill the dream of his parents, Shivaji took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar with his Mawla friends. But while establishing Swaraj, Shivaji faced many difficulties. But with his shrewdness, he came out of all his difficulties. Now men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji shed their blood for Swaraj. Now Swaraj stood up because of their sacrifice. The new kingdom was respected by the subjects and enemies were feared. Now, before Shivaji, people were living in slavery. But after hundreds of years, a king was born in Maharashtra who would treat all religious equally and give justice and happiness to his subjects. Yes, he was the king which treated all religions equally. Now, with a view of having this kingdom recognized by all other princes in the land, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned so that everyone would come to know that Swaraj had been firmly established. He did not do it for self glorification or for self satisfaction, but he did it to give the newly founded Swaraj a firm footing. The capital of Swaraj. Now Shivaji was about to be crowned. All preparations were started. As a part of the preparation, Shivaji first selected a suitable capital for his kingdom, and Raigad was selected for the same. Now, why did Shivaji select Raigad? Because Raigad was a strong hill fort from where it was easy to administer the kingdom and keep a watch on the enemy. He inspected his troops at Chiplun. Now, troops means his army. And he also visited Pratapgarh and took darshan of goddess Bhavani. Now, we know in the previous lessons, Shivaji always had darshan of goddess Bhavani in his good or bad times. Now, goddess Bhavani also blessed him with the pots of mohurs. So, he made a golden canopy for the goddess. Preparations for the coronation. Now, what is coronation? Now, coronation is a ceremony to crown a king, to declare a person as a king. Now, when he was to be declared as a king, what did he do? He ordered a golden throne studded with precious stones. A royal umbrella was put over the throne. An invitation was prepared which had to be given for the coronation. Now, this invitation was for kings, princes, learned Brahmins, and for all the sardars under his command and other officers as well. Now, Gaga Bhatt, who was learned scholar, he was respected in Varanasi. Actually, he belonged to Paitan, but now he had settled down in Varanasi. So he was also invited as the chief priest at the ceremony. Now Shivaji Maharaj made all the detailed preparations for the coronation. Now men were sent to bring waters of 7 rivers and the sea as well. Now nearly 50,000 people gathered at Raigad. Now at all the arrangement was there for them. Yes, all the arrangement was there for them to accommodate all of them. Small and big tents, spacious shamiyanas could be seen everywhere. Now the coronation ceremony. The coronation day dawned. It was a very special day for Shivaji. Now when the ceremony started, musicians began to play their instruments. Singers began to sing. Music and singing filled the place. The atmosphere was of joy everywhere. Now Shivaji Raje sat on a golden throne. It was studded with precious stones. Now Shivaji Maharaj was in a special dress and ornaments. Now there was a priest. Each one was carrying a vessel of ghee, dahi means curd, and honey. And Gaga Bhatt, the chief priest, was also present, and he himself carried a golden vessel filled with the waters of 7 rivers: Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and Kaveri, and of the sea. Now, a canopy and the fans were also held over his head. Now, Gaga Bhatt held that golden vessel over Shivaji's head and started chanting coronation mantras, the prayers for the coronation. Now, there were 100 tiny holes in the vessel. From that holes, water started dripping down on Shivaji's head. And after the ablution by the holy water, ablution means act of washing the body or its part by the holy water. Now, after that, after finishing this ceremonial rituals, he went down and bowed before his mother Jijamata and touched his feet and took her blessing. Like Jijamata held Shivaji close and embraced him. Her eyes were filled with tears of joy because her 30 years' efforts had at last come true. The dream which she nursed even before Shivaji's birth, Shivaji Maharaj was also deeply moved. Glory to be both of them, Jijamata as well as Shivaji Maharaj. Now, after meeting Ma Sahib, Shivaji Maharaj sat on the throne. His wife Maharani Soirabai and son Sambhaji Raje, the crown prince, sat next to him. Now, there were 8 ministers who stood on the side of Shivaji Maharaj. Gagabad, the chief priest, held a canopy with gold and pearl tassels were on it. It was very well decorated and it was held over Shivaji's head. And he said, "Victory be to Shiva Chhatrapati." Now, crowned king, the ornament of race of warriors. Yes, victory be to Shivaji Chhatrapati Maharaj. Now, this was the great thing that was proclaimed, and everyone present there also echoed the same thing. Victory be to Shiva Chhatrapati. And the guns were fired from the forts after fort. The whole Maharashtra echoed with one voice, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. This great ceremony took place in the year 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, that is coronation calendar. He became a great king like those in whose name people start a new era. He also introduced his own coins. At the coronation, there were some foreign envoys who were present. The English had sent their envoy Oxenden, and he had valuable presents for Shivaji Maharaj. Subjects from faraway places had come to see this ceremony. The whole world came to know this big event, and Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. Now, at last, the hard work, dedication, and love for the people had really borne fruit in the form of established Swaraj and a firm kingdom. Now, children, we will learn in detail. Why did Shivaji had himself crowned? Now, as we all know, Shivaji took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar with his Mawla friends. He had to face numerous difficulties and calamities in his efforts to win Swaraj for his people. Now in the previous chapters, we have seen death of Afzal Khan, slip from Agra, siege of Panhalgarh, discomfiture of Shaista Khan. Now, with these difficulties, with his efforts to win Swaraj for his people, he had won Swaraj for his people. Now, but with great courage and skill, Shivaji overcame them all. Now, Swaraj had stepped out of its childhood and was growing fast. Now, men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji nursed it with their blood. The new kingdom was both respected and feared. Now, with a view to having this kingdom recognized by all other princes in the land, big and small, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned. Now, after hundreds of years, a king was born in Maharashtra who would treat all religions equally and give justice and happiness to his people. Now, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned so that everyone would come to know that Swaraj had been firmly established. Now, he did not do it for self-glorification or for personal happiness. He did it to give the newly founded Swaraj a firm footing. The capital of Swaraj. Now Shivaji selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom. Now Raigad was a strong hill fort from where it was easy to administer the kingdom and keep a watch. Now Shivaji Raje inspected his troops at Chiplun. He visited Pratapgarh and took darshan of goddess Bhavani. Now in grateful memory he presented to the temple a golden canopy for the goddess. Preparations for the coronation. Now when Shivaji Raje ordered a golden throne for this coronation ceremony, it was studded with precious stones. Yes, it was studded with precious stones. And he put a royal white umbrella over the throne. Now invitations to the coronation were sent out to the other kings, learned Brahmins, all the Sardars under his command and other officers. Gagabhat came from Varanasi to act as a chief priest at the ceremony. Means he was the main priest for this ceremony. Now Gagabhat originally belonged to Paitan but had settled down in Varanasi. He was a great scholar respected in Varanasi. Shivaji Maharaj made detailed preparations for the coronation. Men were sent out to bring water of 7 rivers and the sea. Now here you can see which were the rivers. The names of the rivers are there in front of you. Nearly 50,000 people gathered at Raigad. Small tents, big tents, spacious shamiyanas were there for the guests to accommodate them, and it was there. The coronation ceremony. The coronation day dawned. It was indeed the most auspicious day. Now musicians began to play on their instruments. Singers began to sing. The music and singing filled the air. Now there was an atmosphere of joy everywhere. Shivaji Raje sat on a golden seat with a special dress. A canopy means a chhatra, and fans were held over his head. There were priests, each one carrying vessels of ghee, dahi and honey. Dahi means curd. Gagabhat himself carried a gold vessel filled with the waters of 7 rivers: Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Kaveri, and of the sea. Now Gagabhat held the vessel over Shivaji's head and started reciting the coronation mantras. Now from 100 tiny holes in the vessel, water started dripping down on Shivaji's head. Now after the purification of the body, means after the ablution by the sacred water, means by the holy water, Shivaji Maharaj got up and bowed before Jijamata and touched her feet. Now Jijamata held him in close embrace. Her eyes were filled with tears of joy. Her 30 years' efforts had at last borne fruits. The dream she had nursed even before Shivaji's birth had at last come true. The tears in her eyes were the tears of joy and fulfillment. Now Shivaji Maharaj was also deeply moved. Glory be to both of them. Now after meeting Ma Sahib, Shivaji Maharaj sat on the throne. Maharani Soirabai and the Crown Prince Sambhaji Raje sat next to him. His 8 ministers stood on the other side. Gaga Bhatt held the canopy with gold and pearl tassels over his head and said, "Victory be to Shiva Chhatrapati, now crowned king, the ornament of the race of warriors." Everyone present followed suit and in one voice wished victory to Shivaji Maharaj. Guns were fired from the fort after fort. The whole of Maharashtra echoed with one voice, "Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai." Now Shivaji's coronation took place in 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar. He became a great king like those in whose name people start a new era. He struck his own coins. He started his own coins. Now, some foreign envoys were present at the coronation. The English had sent their envoy Oxenden with valuable presents. Now, subjects from far off areas and places had also come to see this coronation. The whole world came to know of the big event. Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. Now, children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. After hundreds of years, a king was born in dash. Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Correct answer, Maharashtra. Shivaji selected dash as the capital of his kingdom. Torna, Raigad, Kondana. Correct answer, Raigad. Dash and dash sat next to Shivaji Maharaj's throne. Jijamata Murarbaji, Maharani Soirabai, Prince Sambhaji, Oxenden, Baji Prabhu. Correct answer, Maharani Soirabai, Prince Sambhaji. Shivaji's coronation took place in dash 1674, 1675, 1647. Correct answer, 1674. Shivaji started a new calendar called dash calendar. Hindi, coronation, English. Correct answer, coronation. Shivaji Maharaj took darshan of goddess Bhavani at dash Raigad, Rajgarh, Pratapgarh. Correct answer, Pratapgarh. State whether the following statements are true or false. Shivaji Raje inspected his troops at Chiplun. True or false? True. Shivaji took the darshan of goddess Lakshmi. True or false? Correct answer, false. Gaga Bhatt had settled down in Kalyan. True or false? False. Oxenden was a British envoy. True or false? True. Name the following. Who performed the coronation ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj? Gaga Bhatt, Suryaji. Correct answer, Gaga Bhatt. Place where coronation ceremony took place. Raigad, Rajgarh. Correct answer, Raigad. The goddess whose darshan Shivaji Maharaj took prior to coronation. Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Bhavani. Goddess Bhavani. The envoy of the English who attended the coronation ceremony. Mirza Raje, Oxenden. Correct answer, Oxenden. Thank you.